If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Deezer account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Access the Deezer login page. Go to the Deezer website or open the Deezer app on your device. Click on the login option to enter your account credentials. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Deezer account. This will allow Deezer to send you a password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Deezer. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and disable two-factor authentication. Step 5. Log in and adjust security settings. Once your password is reset, log back into your Deezer account. Navigate to the security settings to manage or disable two-factor authentication as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Deezer. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deezer's customer support for further assistance.